The psychology of money. Hello everyone! Welcome back to English with Altaf. In today's video, we're going to talk about a very interesting and eye-opening book, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel.
Yes, this book explains why even smart people often make bad money decisions. It's not about how much you know about finance, it's about how you behave with money. So stay with us till the end to understand how your emotions, habits, and mindset affect your financial life.
Altaf, tell us first, what is this book really about?
The psychology of money is not your usual financial guide with formulas and charts. It focuses on human behavior, how people think about money, save it, spend it, and invest it. Morgan Housel says that doing well with money isn't necessarily about knowledge, it's about behavior. And behavior is hard to teach.
That's true. And in the very beginning, the author shares a powerful idea. Doing well with money has a little to do with how smart you are, and a lot to do with how you behave.
Exactly. That's why many people with high education and IQ still make bad financial decisions. And some people with little formal education become millionaires just by making smart, steady choices over time.
Why smart people make dumb money choices. So why do smart people make dumb money choices?
Great question. It happens because money decisions are often emotional, not logical. Even if you understand the stock market or how inflation works, your emotions like fear, greed, and ego can control your decisions.
For example, people know they should save money, but when they get emotional or excited, they spend it quickly.
Yes, and some people invest when the market is high and panic sell when it drops. That's fear and greed playing a game with your brain.
Key lesson 1. No one is crazy. One of my favorite lessons from the book is no one is crazy. Everyone makes financial decisions based on their own life experiences.
Right. For example, if someone was raised during a financial crisis, they may always fear losing money, even when the economy is doing well. But a person who saw the market rise during their youth might be too confident and take big risks.
So people are not wrong. They just see money differently based on their personal history.
Exactly. That's why we should never judge someone else's money decisions too quickly.
Key lesson 2. Luck and risk. The book also talks about luck and risk. Both play a huge role in financial success.
Yes. For example, Bill Gates was smart and worked hard, but he also went to one of the only high schools in America that had a computer in the 1970s. That's luck.
And there are people who did the same hard work but didn't get the same success. That's risk.
Exactly. So we should never copy someone's success blindly or feel bad about our failures, because there's always some luck and risk involved.
Key lesson 3. Enough. Another big lesson is about knowing what is enough. Many people keep running after more money without realizing they already have enough.
That's true. Morgan Housel shares the story of a man with millions who still committed fraud to get more. He risked everything just because he didn't understand what enough meant.
So knowing when to stop is a superpower. You must know your limits and be content.
Yes, the real goal is freedom, not showing off or having more than others.
Key lesson 4. Save money, even if you're rich. The book says saving money is more important than investing or earning more. That sounds surprising.
Yes, many people focus on earning higher salaries or finding the best investments, but saving money is in your control, and it gives you freedom, peace of mind, and options.
Saving helps you survive emergencies, take risks, or retire early. It's not just about being rich, it's about being prepared.
Absolutely. And the author says, you don't need a specific reason to save. Just save because you'll need it one day.
Key lesson 5. Compounding is magic. I love the part where he explains the power of compounding. It's like magic.
Yes. Did you know that $81.5 billion of Warren Buffett's $84.5 billion came after his 65th birthday? That's compounding.
So starting early and being consistent is more powerful than chasing high returns.
Exactly. The formula is simple. Small amounts plus time plus huge results.
Key lesson 6. Tail events drive results. Let's talk about tail events. What are they?
Tail events are rare things that have a huge impact, like one successful investment that makes up for 10 failures.
So it's okay to fail many times, as long as one or two big wins cover the losses.
Right. That's why patience and staying in the game is important. Most of your success will come from a few lucky moments, not from winning every time.
Key lesson 7. Independence is the real rich. The book ends with a beautiful idea. Real wealth is about independence.
Yes, it's the ability to do what you want, when you want, with whom you want. That freedom is more valuable than any car or house.
So, financial success is not just about having more. It's about having control over your time.
Exactly. Money should help you live a better life, not a stressful one.
Final thoughts. So, Altaf, what have we learned from this amazing book?
We've learned that smart money decisions are more about behavior than knowledge. Emotions, habits, fear, and greed play a big role. We must understand ourselves, save consistently, invest patiently, and define what is enough for us.
And we should not compare ourselves to others or chase fast success. Wealth is about freedom, patience, and wise choices.
Absolutely. And if you understand the psychology behind money, you can make better decisions, not just to grow your wealth, but to enjoy your life more.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope this conversation helped you learn something valuable.
Yes. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to English with Altaf. And let us know in the comments, what money lesson will you apply from today?
We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and make wise money choices.
Bye.